Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how I can auto-equip armor in Rust or just quickly loot somebody and equip an armor. So what you'll need to do is basically go and click escape button, go to the options, and right here you'll need to go to the keybinds, scroll down until you see inventory. Right here it says inventory, and check and find hover loot. And right here it will be H key, so edit and make sure it is comfortable key, so I set mine to mouse 3. So basically, if you now go to the somebody quickly want to loot and equip an armor, just open your inventory and click on the item with that keybind. So as you can see, like this, and you will be good to go. Let's say I want to take my shoes or whatever. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.